Hi everyone. In my previous video looking at pivot tables, we mentioned how to do different representation in pivot tables using one categorical variable, 2, 3. We also had a case where I used categorical combined with numerical variables, but now we intend to look at how to use pivot tables with dates. Most of the data, like I said previously, we have date in our data, and how are these represented in pivot tables like we have for other categorical variables. We could also use dates in a similar pattern. So let's insert a new pivot and click on OK for it to appear in a new sheet, and we're going to use a date to show how it's represented. In our data here, the expiry holds the date values, so we're going to use expiry here. We're going to drag expiry into the rows or in the column. Observe what happens once I drag it. I drag it in here, it brings out months and expiry. That means the date itself and months. So it's this. If you come to the filter here, the whole data here is a 2021 data, and it has from January to December. So it's considering it for just 1 year. So it needs not represent the years here. But had I had 1 year here, I would have had years appearing here, showing years, months, and expiry. For this example here, I only have 1 year. So now I have the different months here in the context of this data here that runs from January to December for 2021 is going to appear here in my pivot January to December. But we have month above here and we have expiry below here. So if I open up the month here, I see the expiry date here. Likewise February, likewise March. So I could open up for everyone by right clicking here and expand all entire field. It opens for everyone. January 2nd to 31st, February 1st to 27th, March 1st, and so on and so forth. So I'm not interested in the days, I want the months, because I have to do a high level submission. So I look at it here and I can bring in the values here and I can have it. So in the month of January, I know the values up to the month of December. I could make a quick summary to my supervisor, my line manager, and tell him the highest value for which year had the highest value. I could plot a line chart here and look at how the line chart interprets the highest month and the lowest month. That can be seen in my line chart video. We could also have this combined with states up here, showing different values in states and what have you. I could remove that and have region. If I so desire for region, I can have it in region here. I can interchange the values in the rows to the columns and the columns to the rows, and I can measure my value over time. Like I say, date is used to measure or to record information over a period of time, and it gives you a good feel and a high level submission of this kind of data looking at this simple pivot sheet. Now you could try this with different variables in your own data sheet and your day-to-day data, and you would see different patterns and advantage of using pivot tables in your data. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.